Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerhouse motherboards. In the left corner, we have the Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe, and in the right corner, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700. Get ready for the ultimate battle of features and performance. Let's kick things off with the price tag. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe comes in at $229, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 is slightly pricier at $249. Moving on to warranty. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe offers a solid 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that your investment is protected. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 also provides a warranty, but the exact duration may vary depending on your region. Let's talk about the heart of these motherboards, the socket and compatibility. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe boasts support for the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, making it a fantastic choice for AMD enthusiasts. It also supports DDR5 memory modules with AMD Expo and Intel XMP compatibility. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 is all about Intel. It's ready for the 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, with support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5, plus it's out-of-the-box Windows 11 ready. So whether you're Team AMD or Team Intel, these motherboards have got you covered. Now let's talk power design and thermal solution. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe features a commanding power design with twin 14+2+1 phases and A70A Power Stage digital VRM solution. It also includes cutting-edge thermal design elements like a 6mm heat pipe, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, and PCIe ultra-durable armor. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 offers an enhanced power solution with 16+1 DRM OS, Pro-Cool sockets, military-grade TUF components, and DigiPlus VRM. It also comes with comprehensive cooling features, including VRM heatsinks, PCH fanless heatsinks, and M.2 heatsinks. These motherboards are ready to handle your most demanding tasks while keeping cool under pressure. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe brings you the next-gen connectivity you crave with PCIe 5.0, PCIe 5.0 NVMe X4M2, front and rear USB-C ports. It also features an easy latch design for quick and easy PCIe and M.2 connections. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 offers ultra-fast gaming networking with Wi-Fi 6AX201, Intel i2-5V 2.5 gigabits LAN, TUF LANguard, and Turbo LAN technology. It also provides the fastest connectivity with 4x M.2 NVMe SSD support and a front panel USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C header. These motherboards ensure that you stay connected and have the bandwidth you need for your gaming and productivity needs. Finally, let's dive into some additional features that make these motherboards stand out. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe offers fast networking with 2.5 GBE LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5. It also provides dynamic audio with hi-fi audio and high-end audio capacitors, ensuring an immersive audio experience. Plus, it comes with fine-tuning features like RGB fusion, support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips, Smart Fan 6, and multi-key functionality. And if that wasn't enough, it even has QFlash Plus, allowing you to update the BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi LGA 1700 offers a PC DIY-friendly experience with features like Safety IMM, PCIe 5.0 Safe Slot, QLED M.2 Q-Latch, and a pre-mount I/O shield. It also boasts a new TUF gaming aesthetic with synchronizable LED effects and ASUS AI noise-canceling mic technology for immersive gaming audio. These motherboards are packed with features to enhance your gaming and PC building experience. According to online reviews, the Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe is highly praised for its performance and value for money. Reviewers mention its impressive power design, thermal solution, and connectivity options. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi LGA 1700 receives positive feedback for its compatibility with Intel processors, fast networking capabilities, and PC DIY-friendly features. Both motherboards have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi LGA 1700 are both powerhouses in their own right. It all comes down to your specific needs and preferences. So make sure to check out the links in the description to get more information about these motherboards and their current prices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart.